Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning. I'm just kind of whispering because it's really early. It's 6 a.m. and Sean's still like sleeping, and so I got up a little later than I normally do. I'm trying to get up at 5, so we slept until 6. And I've got Charlie here with me. Hi, handsome. And I brewed my cup of coffee, sitting by the tree. So nice. And I'm getting ready to start my day. So I'm going to continue reading my book because that's always like my routine in the morning. And then actually I'm going to fill out that planner to be intentional about my day, because it says that's what you're supposed to do like every single day. And it says to commit to that for 2 months. So I'm going to do just that and see how I like this thing. So, and I mean, when do I ever not like filling out a planner with like markers and pens? So I'm gonna do that and just settle into my morning with coffee. I'm gonna do a little bit of like Bible reading later this morning. And yeah, we're just gonna let this lazy Sunday morning begin until Sean wakes up, and we'll see where the morning takes us. Hello again, beautiful people. It is now early afternoon. I feel like Sean and I have accomplished so much. We've done like grocery shopping. We did our like morning routine, done a workout, had lunch. And now we are with the Nugget, who's in his snowsuit. I know a lot of you were asking about that. So this is a snowsuit. And I love it because it comes all the way down the legs as well, which is nice because we're going for a walk by the water. And you know, every time you go for a walk by the water, especially in our climate, it's even cooler. And it is cold today. Like, it's only 2 degrees, which I have no idea what that is in Fahrenheit. Is that 0? No, maybe not 0. I feel like that's like 20 or 30 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not really sure. Anyway, all you need to know is that it's cold. So I've got my scarf on. I brought hot mitts, and I thought it was only fair. Of course, got to keep Charlie warm too, because he has hair, not fur, so they get cold very easily. He doesn't have that insulation that some dogs do. Anyway, we are parking, but like I said, I just wanted to show you this little guy in his snowsuit because I thought it was too freaking cute. Yeah, so we're gonna get some fresh air and go for a walk. Hello beauties, we've done some walks, we've done some laundry. I just reserved a book at the book club, or sorry, I reserved a book at the library for our next book club. And now I'm doing some journaling because it's the solar eclipse today, and I told you guys I bought that like digital workbook on like Sagittarius season and whatnot. So it has a whole section on the solar eclipse, which I think is really cool. Got my crystals out and all that kind of stuff. Gonna be doing some intention setting today. And I've also got a delish glass of wine, just chilling. And just loving this Sunday. Just been like super easy and quiet. I did do a little bit of work, like a little bit, but not too much. So it's been actually like relatively quiet, which is just what my soul needed. So I'm gonna carry on with my journaling nerdy session here, just 'cause I love it. And I'll probably catch you guys again around dinner. Sean's making a keto shepherd's pie, which I'm really looking forward to. We haven't tried this before, so I don't actually know what the recipe will be like or whether we'll enjoy it. My fingers are crossed though. So yeah, I'll show you how it goes. The chef is in session. Got some ground beef. Oh, nothing in there yet. Guess it's just boiling water. And got some whiskey going. Got some cauliflower. And some of the veggies that are gonna go into the shepherd's pie. It's gonna be so good, guys. Oh, and he's got some broth, I guess, over here. Chef Sean. Can't hear me because his earpods are in. I'm looking forward to trying it. We will keep you guys posted on the recipe. Okay guys, look at this masterpiece. Keto shepherd's pie. Damn. Tell me that doesn't look good.
That doesn't look good.
Shut up. You don't think it looks good? Do you think it looks good, honestly?
I know the meat tastes good.
Yeah, you liked it so far?
Well, from what it tastes.
Yeah. Yeah? Me. Hello, beautiful people. Got my glasses on. Basically ready for bed at this point, even though it's only, I think it's like 5 after 8 or something like that. Anyway, despite that, let's open our advent calendar. Okay, so we're on day 6. Oh God, what day are we on? Are we on day 16? I feel like we are. Okay, so day 16. God, these numbers are impossible. Some of you were saying that you couldn't read them either. Isn't it crazy? Like, look how small some of their numbers are and it blends into the decor, which maybe that's the point to make it harder. Oh, 16. Okay, here we go. That was pure luck. All right, so. Oh, I've never smelled this candle. Oh, I don't even know what to say that is, nor whether I like it. But there we are. Have mixed reviews or feelings on this, but another candle to go through. All right, and then for the tea for day 16. Oh, look, it's right in the front. Okay, so day 16. Oh God, this whole calendar's falling apart at this point. All right, so says, fun fact, all tea comes from the same plant, Camellia sinensis. Is that how you say that? Sinensis? I'm sure I'm butchering that. Someone will correct me, I'm sure, in the comments. Okay, so. Oh, popcorn tea. Hello. Okay, all.
Does it taste like strawberries?
We've been listening, Sean's singing. We've been listening to Harry Styles all night because he's finally discovered months later that he really likes the Watermelon Sugar song by Harry Styles after like the rest of the planet discovered it how long ago? Anyway,
Yeah,
it is a really
cool until I started listening to it.
Anyway, the album itself, you guys actually haven't listened to Harry Styles, his like newer of the 2 albums. I always forget what it's called. Hold on. It's called, oh, Fine Line. It's actually, it's an excellent album. It's got like a very like retro kind of 60s, 70s feel. I love it. All right, so this tea is the popcorn one, and I gotta say, it smells kind of ratchet. To me,
Not like butter then?
No, it smells like burnt popcorn. Yeah, it's not, it doesn't smell very good. I'm hoping the taste will prove me wrong, But I was like, when I saw it was popcorn, I'm like, ooh, this is gonna be so good. And then when I stuck the tea bag in the water, I bent down to smell initially and I was like, oh, this is not very good at all. Anyway, I've never actually had, I didn't even know popcorn tea was like a thing. All right, okay, here we go. No, it tastes like burnt popcorn. What a terrible idea. No, this is the worst idea.
Like strawberry.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like Jiffy Pop that you threw in the oven and just let it blacken.
But Jiffy Pop you cook on the stovetop, not in the oven.
Oh, sorry, on the stovetop. But it's gross.
Drew Barrymore.
Oh, it's going in the sink for sure. Oh, that's really bad. Really bad.
Okay, put the music back on.
I will. All right, so Sean and I've had a very uneventful day. I feel like this might be
It's been very eventful for us.
I feel like, you know, we've had a really lovely day, but not anything to like film on Vlogmas. Like we had a nice walk at the park.
Half my book.
Yeah, Sean read half his book. He was reading. Actually, I'll show you the one that he's reading because I know you guys keep asking what we read. So he's been reading Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. We read the Rich Dad Poor Dad first, which is a great book. I haven't actually read the one that Sean's reading now, but he's absorbed half of it today. And then I kept reading my 5 a.m. club. And it's just been a nice day. Like, we went for a walk. It was absolutely freezing outside, but it was so lovely.
Not freezing.
I thought it was cold.
Brisk.
Anyway, Charlie trooped around so well, and I think his, like, so I checked when we got back in the car to see like how warm his body was. Like I unzipped his snowsuit just to see how warm he was, and he was super nice and toasty. So I'm very thankful to Canada Pooch. Not that like it's not sponsored or anything, but I just didn't know what to expect with a dog snowsuit because Jasmine and Oscar never had one. Did I say that funny? Jasmine never had one, and Oscar didn't either. Like they had winter coats and stuff, but we never had a snowsuit for them because I didn't know it was a thing. But it actually turned out really lovely, and Charlie trooped along, and just, he's the dog that wants to meet and greet everybody. So we're trying to train him right now because when we were going along the park, every dog that came along, he wanted to like lick and be close to and play with, and like some dogs were obviously very open to it, and then some owners like just didn't want anything to do with it, which is fine. And like we tried to hold him back first and make sure that the owner asked, like the owner of the other dog asked if like their dog could meet ours. Like we didn't go up to anyone like without like permission, because I think that that's just rude. Like you don't know if someone's training their dogs or not. So we waited to see if anyone else was asking permission, then just tried to hold Charlie back to get him to ignore other dogs just because he's in that training process. But he did really well. But it's so funny, like some of the dogs that are like 7 times his size, like there was one dog we saw at the beginning of our walk today that Charlie's like the size of the dog's head, and he still went up to the dog and was like totally fearless and like just wanted to play like it was like the guy was his size. It was hilarious, which is good because he's not scared of other dogs, and we never let him off lead anyway, just to be clear. But yeah, he was just motoring through and living his best life with all the animals and people in the park today, which was really cute, super cute. But anyway, we've got our fire going. I'm in my PJs and house coat. Sean's in his comfies too, and I think we're just gonna leave the vlog here. Like it's just been one of those like lovely relaxing Sundays, and I just want to keep it on that note. And I'm gonna actually finish my high performance planner because I filled it out this morning, which you guys saw, and I'm gonna do the evening journaling for it. And I have to say, just doing it the one day, and I know this is only one day so I can't hold my breath on this, but I will say like the things that I put in it were in the back of my mind all day long today, which was really nice. So I'm hoping that utilizing it during the next like coming weeks, if I can keep up with that habit. I'm interested to see like how it will affect my like day-to-day routine. So I'll keep you guys posted for sure if you're interested in that. Anyway,
you're welcome.
Yeah, Sean was the one that recommended it to me, which is why I said you're welcome, right?
Yeah. Because when I first got it, you were like, why are you getting this?
Yeah. Well, because you're the never-ending planner, and he has like a bunch of journals and stuff, which we've all been there, let's be real. Anyway.
But buying it and getting it for yourself.
Yeah, I like it. Well, I like it so far. I've used it for one day. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go here. I'm sending you all the love to the moon and back. If you want to join the personal style program, up-level your style, start a new year, new you, if you want to call in it more to your life for 2021 and actually want to get the specific custom advice you need for your style, because I will be there giving all the students feedback throughout the program. It is very hands-on on my end. Then I would love to have you. The link is down below if you guys are interested. Registration closes this week, so definitely don't miss out. But I'm sending you all the love, and I'll catch you again in the next video. Bye, guys.